So I was gifted this Garvee Portable Air Conditioner. Now this is a 3-in-1 air conditioner and it's an 8,000 BTU. Now this unit does cover up to 350 square feet. The unit came with a window kit, which is going to be very helpful for you to be able to just hook it up properly to your window. This is a very sleek looking unit, and like I stated before, it is portable. So on the side it does have handles here, and at the bottom of the unit it does have wheels. So this is going to be very easy to move from room to room. Now the unit did come with a remote, but you can utilize the keyboard at the top of the unit. Okay, so here is the control panel on the actual unit itself. This is a timer button here, and you can go up to 24 hours with that timer. Okay, so here is your speed button, and that's going to take you from low to high. But no matter the speed, it does have an airflow of 300. And as you can hear, this machine is not loud at all. Now, this button right here is actually something that does not come on a lot of units, and that is the swing button. As you can see, they are moving back and forth. So that is what your swing button is going to do. It's going to allow the air to really circulate the room by swinging back and forth. So this unit can go as low as 62 degrees and as high as 86 degrees. So the unit definitely gives you a wide range of degrees here. Now when you go ahead and use the sleep button here, what that's going to do is just knock it right down to low, so it's not as loud as it would be being on high. Now the mode button is what you're going to want to push when you want to jump from air conditioning mode to dry mode. And the dry mode activates the dehumidifier, which will allow the unit to process up to 50 pints a day. Now, if you are going to utilize this as a dehumidifier, you are going to have to hook this tube up. You have two different options on where you can stick this. You can stick it in the back on the top of the unit and have it pour into some sort of container. Or you can utilize it on the drain spout at the bottom and just have it so it flows right out of the machine. And then you do have the fan option. So all in all, if you're looking for a portable air conditioning unit that isn't just an air conditioner, it also dehumidifies, or you could just use it as a fan, you may want to consider this one.